Ace Bakery is a great place to be. We have an incredible opportunity to work as a territory manager in either a part-time or full-time capacity. In this role, you are accountable for managing a group of stores in a specified territory with the objective of creating conditions for a picture-perfect store and building a consistent brand presence to maximize Ace sales. I'm about to show you a day in the life of a territory manager at Ace. Follow me. As I'm walking through the store, I'm looking for incremental display opportunities as well as competitive activities. In this role, it's important to look for opportunities and take action where needed. Being a self-starter and taking the initiative to make a positive change in the store is what it takes to make you a success. Now that I've completed my in-store activities, I'll be documenting everything I've accomplished and prepare for the next store visit. Every day, there are new opportunities dealing with a diverse customer base. The key to success in this role is to be results-oriented and driven to exceed customer expectations. If you like to work independently and are results-driven, then I recommend you apply today. We are ready to set you up for success with our professional selling techniques, fact-based tools, and sales technology. We offer a condensed work week that will allow you to enjoy work-life balance. Come join our winning team.